Hi, in this video we're going through how to check who last edited a video on your WordPress site and when it was done. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan. I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. In this video we're going through how to check who was the last person to touch or edit a web page on your WordPress site and when the last changes were made. So you can see here I'm already logged in and ready to go. If you're not logged in, you'll need to just head to /wp-admin to log in. If you're not sure how to log into your WordPress website, there's a link in the description below. So once you've logged in, navigate to the page you'd like to check on and then click edit the page or post up the top there. And then what we're looking for on the right hand side here is this block. If you cannot see this block, if you look like this, what you'll need to do is just click on the cog up the top there and make sure you're on the left hand tab, the page or the post tab, not the block tab. So from the page tab, we should be able to see this marker here with a number and then revisions. In this case, 25 revisions. Click on that one and that will take you through to the revision tab. We can see here, this was last edited by me a few hours ago because I'm doing a few tutorials at the moment, and it shows what we call a diff, which is the difference between the previous version and the current version. In this one, I was doing the iframes tutorial, so we can see that in the last revision, I removed the iframe. Now, if something's gone sideways in the last revision, you can also just use this little tab to see what was done, by whom, and when, using the information you can see up the top here when you mouse over, and then this little plus minus diff engine here. And if you find that you need to go back to a previous version, so if you wanted to, for example, add this YouTube video back in, you hit restore, and then that will publish the previous version of the page. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left for some more WordPress tips, or if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell so YouTube lets you know whenever we post a new WordPress tip. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.